let's make Pakistani spaghetti and meatballs. I always saw kids on TV eating spaghetti and meatballs, and my mom had the idea of, you know what, kofta is just our version of a meatball, so let's mix that with our same sauce into a spaghetti. For the meatballs, let's crack an egg into ground beef, along with chili powder, salt, garam masala, cumin seeds, poppy seeds, cilantro. Give this a mix, and you want to make the meatballs around this size. In a blender, let's add some onions, San Marzano tomatoes, ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste, coriander seeds, cinnamon, cloves, salt, chili powder, green Thai chili peppers. Give this a blend, and this is your masala mix. Now let's grab a large pot and let's get some color on our meatballs. Now remove the meatballs and let's add in some onions, and let's deglaze with some of our masala mix with that extra tomato sauce. Now let's throw the meatballs back into the mix. Give this a swirl every so often so it gets nice and coated, and let the meatballs fully cook. Now you want to cook your spaghetti to al dente, mix this with some of your sauce, plate it with the meatballs, and that's pretty much it. It has that masala, that spice, a good tomato flavor. It's so good. I even put the kofta recipe in the cookbook. I would definitely choose this over a traditional Italian or American style spaghetti meatball, just because, of course, you know, I need that spice and just a bit more of that flavor. So I'm gonna give this a 9.3 out of 10. You can't go wrong with this.